YouTube, welcome back to Where You At AJ's Cooking Channel. Today we are going to be cooking in the kitchen. Nah, but Frutos, check it out. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be putting new exhaust tips on the Scat Pack. We are also putting on some new hood pins. With that being said, let's go ahead and open this box. This one right here is actually the exhaust, and these are so I didn't actually end up going to that car meet that I said that I was gonna go to, but the homie told me it did get shut down by the police. So that's okay that I didn't go, I guess. But he told me that the cops were threatening to tow everybody's cars, and he said impound everybody's cars. But damn, I hope this is gonna fit. Look at this. Shit, if not, some finagling gonna be done. So these motherfuckers are going on. Oh yeah, these are from Big Boz. Big B-O-Z. My hood pins are from Summit Racing. Why they saran wrap it? Yo, come on. Ain't that annoying? Damn. Look at this thing. Look at that big ass exhaust tip right there. What? Big ass exhaust tips. This is it's gonna sound pretty good. I have the second one right here because it is going to be a true dual. It's going to have two exhausts. They run all the way to the manifolds. Not fake. Let's open these hood pins. Now, I wasn't gonna buy these, but the shop that I took my car to, he said that the ones that I currently have will mess up my hood, which I don't want to have them. But I mean, you can obviously tell, self-diagnose, I could obviously tell that it wasn't quality. The hood pins that I currently have on there, they just are loose. They're not doing too much. I mean, they are screwed into the frame. However, they lack quality. I did not need all this. Yo, who popped my back? I wanted to pop it. A sticker, man. All right, we got. Here are the hood pins, but I'm keeping the sticker. Fuck the hood pins. Here are the hood pins. Performance panel fastener. These look, I don't know. Let me take them out of the box. It's got bottom piece, top piece. Push that, pull that, then she opens there. Then you simply put. Back to what I was saying before my camera decided to run out of storage mid-demonstration. Basically, what I was saying is, this piece right here screws into the frame. Like so. Then this has a little bar that goes up and down. So this goes up and then it pushes through. Close it, push, press, and it's locked in place. Let's see who's calling me. Yo, just get some snacks. Back to what I was saying. That's everything I got. I'm actually not going today to get these put on or the exhaust because it is stormy outside, which is not the main reason, but because I got shit to do. And tomorrow I don't. And today is Tuesday. And tomorrow is Wednesday. So, therefore, I can go drop off the scat. Get this shit installed.
YouTube, I know I haven't been on the camera, AJ's camera, in a long time. I just want to say I've been doing good. Cut off my hair, if y'all haven't known. And yeah, I'm chilling out here, man. I don't know what I really want to do so far as of YouTube and all that personal stuff, but so far I've been doing good. I've been going to the gym. I've been doing my thing. I'm really chilling, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm only 19 years old. I've lost a lot of people in my life recently, but I'm still moving, man, and I'm chilling out here. So I'm gonna give the camera back to AJ. This is his channel, by the way, and it can be mine too. I don't know. Hey, look. What if the whole car just blew up? What if the whole entire car just blew up? Nah, but yeah, man.
YouTube, back to what I was saying. So after we got this exhaust done, this is how it turned out. So that ran me only about 400, 450, I believe. He gave me a little discount since I paid in cash. But as you can see, it turned out pretty nice. And those are, I don't know if I already said, but those are 4-inch tips from Big Boss. Full stainless steel. Got rid of the mid mufflers, deleted the resonators, and added the tip. Full stainless steel. I believe it's 3.5-inch or 4-inch stainless steel tubing. But let me give you a little sound test real quick. That beautiful 6.4 liter V8, can't beat it. You cannot really. So yeah, that's the exhaust.
Pretty much, y'all, we're probably gonna be chilling for the rest of the day. I don't know what we got planned. We're probably gonna be riding around, just chilling, man. Like, yeah, we're gonna head out right now, man. I don't know if y'all can see me because the glare of the sun. Yep. Catch y'all in the next clip.
Yeah, YouTube, so those hood pins that I showed at the beginning of the video, I haven't put in yet, but I am planning on doing that soon, and I'll probably make a separate video out of that because that's gonna be an all-day project, and I'm gonna have to set aside some time for that because I gotta drill into my hood and not mess anything up, because that is not a do-over type mission. I cannot do that more than once. I'll probably make a separate video out of that so that I can have some more footage and content to put out for y'all, because I need some more videos. Let me know what y'all want in the future, more content for y'all, you know what I mean, man. Is EJ over there doing some B-roll? Give me some footage for the clips, you know what I mean? I hope that y'all like the shorts I'm putting out. Bad Bunny, don't copyright. Bro thinks he's him.
I know your airdrop. I gotta send you. Look.
Bro, I gotta get a wider lens. Every time. How much did DB pay for that one?
fucking know.
Didn't he say like?
You get a
Well, I don't want that one in specific, but I'm just like for reference 15. That's what I was thinking, like 13, 15.
you need to get over it.
I mean, this lens is good, but I have to hold it all the way back here like this. Yeah.
It's like you see your whole face.
And it would make it better for POVs, so that I could just hold it like to my chest.
Why don't you just do POV? Hey King DB, if you're watching this, you need to do more POVs. Ooh, what is that?
Disgusting.
DB and Ramiro, stop posting POVs, Ramiro. And DB, you need to post more with that Hellcat. Just go ahead and take the camera off me.
Need to go to like Best Buy or something and find some better lenses.
Best Buy or that's how DB got his. They had they shipped it to him because they had ordered it. So they had to come back. He had to come back for it.
Yeah, that's probably what I need to
If
do.
y'all don't know, this dude's literally holding his camera like this because his lens is not too wide. He just got a camera like I say about maybe 2-3 months ago.
I think it was like February.
Yeah, something like that. And can you just shut up? Alright, son. That was a bike, bro. Why do we got this in the fucking magazine?
Oh yeah.
I'm about to go over there right now. Is that nice or no? Is that a nice sound, guys, or no? Leave it in the comments below, okay? He's like, come on!
Dude, really? Come on! Come on!
What is that, like 500? Hey, 600 CBR?
It sounds kind of like a 600, but not at the same time. I don't.
No.
Well, because my bike sounds a whole lot different from that. So,
I ain't gonna lie, I know a dude that owns a slow ass CBR 600. It's all blackout too, slow. Just feel like some chips from Mexican restaurant.